Hello everyone and welcome to my channel IT Info. Today our topic is email forwarding, and let's move to the topics that we will cover today. And the topics are: what is email forwarding, how to enable email forwarding, and how to use PowerShell for email forwarding. Okay, so in this video we will see what is an email forwarding, and after that we will see how to enable a email forwarding via admin center, or how to use a PowerShell for email forwarding. Okay, let's move ahead. So, for example, there is a user. Okay, there is a from address from email is getting sent, and there is a to address. In to address, if the user has applied a email forwarding, for example, there is a user in your organization that has forwarded his or her email to another mailbox. Okay, so what will happen? The from address will send an email to A employee, then the mail will get forwarded to the B employee, which has the forwarding enabled. Okay, that is how email forwarding works. For example, a from address has sent an email to your organization, and organization will search if there is any rule or any mail forwarding is applied to the mailbox. After searching, if he has found that there is a mailbox forwarding applied, then it will move forward the email to the person who has the email address as in forwarding email address. For example, if the forwarding email address is not found to the mailbox, then it will return a NDR to the user who has sent the email. Okay, now let's discuss how to enable a email forwarding via admin center. So you can open your admin center via admin.microsoft.com and just scroll down and select exchange admin portal. If you come to your mailboxes and select any random mailbox, that I have selected this IT Dev, and if you move to the mailbox, you can see here is the option email forwarding. What is it saying? No forwarding option set currently. So what we will do, we will select manage email forwarding, and we just enable the forwarding here. So what it is saying, what will be the forwarding address? So we, if it is an internal, we can search over here. For example, let me select IT info. Okay, and if you want an external email address to be used as a forwarded, then you can select an external email address and email will get forwarded to the external. If you want to allow deliver message to both forwarding address and mailbox, then just click here and the email will deliver both on the mailbox. Okay, so click on save, and it will take some time and the email forwarding is enabled. So you can use exchange online to do a email forwarding, or either you can click here or you can click on here manage email forwarding. Okay, so delivery restriction you can allow. For example, if you select accept messages from all senders or selected senders, block messages from selected senders, so you can do that here also. So this is how you can enable a forwarding from here, PowerShell. Connect hyphen exchange online. Select your admin account to login. First, we will check how to check if email forwarding is enabled to the mailbox or not. So get hyphen mailbox, and we have get the itdev at makefit.com. It is the identity name of the mailbox, and then either you can select FL or either you can select option to check if the email forwarding is enabled. Just search the keyword. I have selected forwarding. Just hit enter and see forwarding address is IT info. Okay. This is how you can check if the forwarding is enabled or not. So let me give you how to enable a forwarding via PowerShell. So just click on the identity, set hyphen mailbox identity. For example, I want to apply a forwarding address to itinfo at makefit.com. Okay, and the SMTP address to where we need to enable the request. So for example, itdev at makefit.com. Okay, hit enter. Okay, we will select forwarding SMTP address. It is set. Now if you want to check, just enter IT info here. Okay, see the SMTP address itdev at makefit.com. So why it is showing here forwarding address is IT info, but the SMTP address is empty, and here the forwarding address is empty, and forwarding SMTP address is showing itdev at makefit.com. So after doing a forwarding from Exchange Online, it is giving the address, the display name of the forwarding address. And in PowerShell, we have added the SMTP address, as you can see. Okay, the SMTP address we have added, that is why it is showing itdev at makefit.com in an SMTP. So it is both the same. The forwarding will be enabled. Either you can select it, or you can use the display name also if you have a unique display name. So this is how you can use forwarding options in Exchange Online and the from a PowerShell. So that is all for today. And if you like this video, please like. And if you have any doubt or any query, you can comment on this video and I will reply. If you want to share the learning with your friends, you can share it. And if you want to continue learning regarding M365 and Azure, so please subscribe this channel. Thank you.